Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week what we're going to be having, we're going to keep the theme of going here for just a few more weeks. We're going to have smoked chicken legs. And what we're getting ready to do, we've got a half a cup of oil. We're going to put in a little bit of vinegar here, and then we're going to add some of this rub here. Mix it all together. We're going to marinate the chicken legs for about an hour. And while that's marinating, we'll go out and get the smoker going. And then we're going to cook them for approximately an hour. We'll just check the temperature with them there. Let's get started. Alright, let me turn this other light on. Maybe it'll help us out a little bit there. We need to get some more lights for filming, don't we? Alrighty, we just added in about a tablespoon of our seasoning. We'll see what that looks like. Now we're going to put in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay. Now we'll stir that up. We're going to put that down in the bag with their chicken legs. Let them be a sitting. And we'll get the fire going. Alrighty folks. I went ahead and added a little bit more vinegar, because you can see this pile of chicken legs we got here. Alright. Stirred that up. Now let's pour this in. Now we'll seal this up. That'd be bad. That come loose. Alright. And then we'll go get the fire going. All we'll do, we'll just every now and then we'll come through, give them a shake. We'll let them sit approximately an hour. We'll put them in the refrigerator. Alrighty, we'll go get the fire going. Alrighty folks, we have never tried this before. This will be the first time. Our oldest son had got us this. We're going to be putting the chicken legs on this here. We've got corn down in this little tray. Putting some canned taters in there now. Now, what I'm going to do, go ahead and squirt a little bit of this here parquet down in there. Okay. Now. Alrighty. As you can see, the little chicken legs, they just hang there like this. Like I said, we've never tried this before, folks. This will be our first time. Now, if I just don't drop it where they fall off while I'm walking up there to the smoker. And then the chicken drippings, it'll go down into the corn and taters, and then hopefully we'll have a good meal. Alrighty. The others, we're going to probably just lay on top. Boy, I can see this here ending badly. Okay. Now, there you have it. And I'm going to keep this here. And every now and then we'll go up there and brush on a little bit. But like the old saying, if you're looking, you're not cooking. Okay, we got out here on the smoker now, folks. Tuck this little skin in there. Alrighty, let's get her closed up. Like I said, if you're looking, you're not cooking. We'll check this here in just a little bit. Alrighty, now our temperature dropped back down to the 100 when we had it opened up. We'll come back and check it here in just a little bit. Let the temperature come back up. Alrighty, we'll see you shortly. Alrighty, folks, there you have it. We'll get it plated up here in a minute. Here is that little doohickey thing we used. Yeah, let's turn it around there, Shug. Alrighty. Okay, folks, there we have it. Hopefully it shows everything this time. Camera sort of wimped out on us the other day, saying it nicely. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a great day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Friday. Thank y'all again for watching. Now, folks, I always told you I'd be honest. For me, it was just a little too much vinegar. Carol and Dan loved it. I'm definitely going to do this again with a different marinade. Actually, could use the same marinade, just omit the vinegar. For myself, it was too much vinegar. Like I said, folks, I always said I'd be honest.